So there was this scientist back in the 1906 is when he lived, Richard Semon, and he had this theory about how small numbers of cells were important in storing any one type of memory. And we've gone on to really show that he was right. So I'm Sheena Josselyn, and I'm a senior scientist in the Neuroscience and Mental Health Department here at SickKids. And I'm also a professor of psychology, physiology, and the Institute of Medical Sciences over at the University of Toronto. So my lab is really intrigued by how the brain forms, stores, and uses memories. We think this is like the fundamental thing that a brain does. It's what makes people people. Our memories are who we are. And so we look at how memories are formed in the brain using model systems, that there are just a small number of cells that encode a single memory in the brain, and that different memories are stored by different combinations of cells. So we've really looked at this thing called an engram, which is this ensemble of neurons that store a memory, and really teased out how they're formed, how they're used, how we can get them back when memories fail. We found that we were able to erase a specific memory, not all memories, but a specific memory in the brain of a mouse. And this has sort of been the holy grail in memory research since forever. And we were able to do this back in 2009. We are really excited about the possibility of potentially retrieving lost memories in the brain. So we all have this common thing, the tip of the tongue phenomena. You know something, you just can't find it. Who's that actor? Oh my goodness, he was in that movie about the planes, blah, 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 blah. Tom Cruise. You come up with Tom Cruise later. At the time, you can't find it, but you know that. And we think that in very early stages of Alzheimer's disease, that maybe we can find molecular mechanisms that will help us find and pull out those lost memories. Because we think in the early stages that the problem is they can't sort of find where the memory is located in the brain. So we can do this in mice, proving the principle, and now we just need to take the next leap and sort of try and translate these findings. Yeah, so it's really important for motivating us. It really says, okay, maybe we are on the right kind of track. Our work is being appreciated. Because oftentimes when you're a scientist, you're in the lab all day, you're on weekends, and you're like, why am I doing all this? Why? It's not for the money. Believe me, it's not for the money. But it's for something else. And this tells us we are on to something. People are appreciating our work, and it really is motivating to the entire team. The best things we can do for our brain, like people always ask me, what can I do for my memory? Should I take this? Should I take that? I say, get some exercise, get sleep, eat well, and just generally de-stress. So the things that your mom, your grandma told you, they are right. They knew the secret to longevity and good brain health. Just do the things that are good for your body. They're also good for your brain.